In today's video, I'll teach you how to download and install UpScrolled app. So first of all, what you have to do is simply launch open Play Store or App Store on your device. If you're using the Apple device, open the App Store. If you're using the Android device like me, open the Play Store. Now once you do that, you can see over here Play Store will be opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for UpScrolled. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for UpScrolled and tap on it. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for install. Simply tap on it. Now wait for a while. Until the application is being installed, you can learn more about the app if you want. You'll be able to see about this application. You can see over here it is the social application without limits. You can express, create and connect. Likewise, you'll also be able to see the reviews and stories over here. You can also see the provisions related with the data safety. You can also see the reviews over here. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see more reviews. So once you're done, simply scroll to the up. Now you can see over here UpScrolled application has been installed. Now you can open it and start using it. So that is how you download and install UpScrolled app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.